segment, we'll be talking about the methods with a Python dictionary. So I've told you about what Python dictionaries are, right? So yeah, we're talking about the methods in a Python dictionary. So if I create a dictionary, my dict called with the first item, my first name. So you know dictionary has key and value pair. So we have my first name, premise, surname, AK, nationality, Nigeria. So that's my dictionary. So check out the length in that dictionary. Use length function. So if you print length, my dict returns 3. So because you have 3 items in that dictionary, and 1 item in a dictionary is separated using a comma, right? So I could also say, okay, my dict.keys. So to print out all the keys in the dictionary. So you see when I print out this, you say first name, surname, nationality. I could also say my dict.values returns all the values in the dictionary. You say premise, AK, Nigerian, those are the values. So you could also update items in your dictionary using the .update function. So if I say my dict.update and put in bracket what I want to add, so make it a dictionary using the curly bracket, so height, and specify the value of the height. By the time I print out my dictionary, you see that height has been added to my dictionary. Yes, I could also say, let me update the height in my dictionary. I can say, okay, my dict.update, so calling same height was changing the value. So by the time I print out height again, the value has been changed to 150. Indexing a dictionary rather than using numbers. You remember for strings and lists, we use the numbers to index. But for this, we're indexing with the key. So with dictionary indexing, you index with key. So I called my name, premise, my name, first name, returns it as premise. So that's how you index a dictionary. So to remove items in a dictionary, use the .pop function. So with .pop, you also, because we're indexed with our keys, so you also pop with your, rather than using index, you put in the surname. So whatever you want to remove, if I want to remove my first name, I'll do .pop first name. But in this case, I want to remove my surname. By the time I do .pop and put surname, it removes surname from the dictionary. A dictionary can contain other dictionaries. A dictionary can contain other dictionaries. So if I say, so it's called nested dictionary, same as a list. A list can contain other lists. So we have, for example, I have my subscriber. If I say I want to look at my subscribers' information as a dictionary, so the first, let's say my first subscriber, let's say the name would be subscriber. So it's a dictionary. The value of the first item in my subscriber dictionary is a dictionary. So I say, okay, the first person, the first subscriber, the name is subscriber, age 25, country USA. So it's okay, the second item in my subscriber dictionary is, okay, the second, that's 2. I say name, subscriber. Okay, the person's name is John Luke. I can say the person is 26 years, country, the person lives in the UK, and school, Imperial College. Then the third item in the dictionary, so it's called dictionary of dictionaries. So it's the key values, the values in my dictionaries are other dictionaries. So it's called a nested dictionary. I hope this makes sense. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to enjoy this video so far. Let me know what you've learned and anything you would like me to talk about in other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.